welcome back to Moonstone Craft, and welcome back to another Diamond Art Club unboxing. Didn't get the Diamond Art Club box. I only got it in my first ever order, not anymore. But there's actually 3 paintings in here, and I'm just gonna unbox one today. The other 2 will be the next 2 weeks. I'm gonna do one at a time, because I just want to give it everything it deserves. So actually today I want to unbox the newest release that I got, which is Gypsy Violet. Actually, I couldn't resist, of course. Another horse. I ordered it on the 2nd of January and it shipped on the 6th of January. And today is actually the 15th of January. So again, very fast for the times we live in. So I'm gonna open this box and get the one that I want out of it. The other 2 will be a surprise until the next few weeks when I upload them. So this will be a 3-part series, I guess. So I think that will also keep it pretty exciting. But I want to unbox the new release first because I might just want to start with that one. Let me see if I can see which one is what. Okay. Alright. Get mine out. Get this box out of the way. Because those are for other unboxings. I'm gonna actually film those unboxings today. But you will see them the next 2 weeks actually. So here we go. Gypsy Violet by Sheena Pike. And she's not really my kind of artist. I never really enjoyed any of her work. She's not for me. I mean, she does great art. I think she's great, but it's just not my style. But then I saw this. Actually, I saw this in an email, which was a week early. And I was like, this is not the new release they posted on Facebook. And I was right, because it wasn't. They were actually supposed to come the next week, so I was really excited when they announced it on the Facebook, because I was like, is it a round? Is it a square? Please let it be round. Yeah, it was a round. So it's a round. It's a 56 by 71. Didn't cut this right. Get this nasty plastic off. And I actually may start this very soon because I got a request from Jorelli, who also got this kit. I will link her channel and maybe even the unboxing that she did for this kit as well. She was so excited. I became very happy watching that video. But she was like, I was like, oh, maybe I'll start it right away. And she was like, yes, you should. So she kind of made a request for me to start this one. So we'll see. But I think I will, because I just finished my other horse from them. And it was amazing. There we go. There she is. Gypsy Violet. Yay! She has 47 colors. She has more than the one that I did. But she's pretty. I mean, the purples. The purples. There we go. Another toolkit. There's just a blue pen in here. See-through boat. There's actually no tweezers in here because it's a round kit. They have a lot of baggies lately. They have a little squishy that you can put on your pen, and they most of the time they have also a tin 4-placer in here. Can't see right now if that's the case here as well, but that's the toolkit. Let's get to the canvas and the drills. Oh, this is one of those ones that you can't close anymore. Which sucks. Oh, the little sticker. Love these. I don't use them right now because I don't know where to use them yet, but still love them. OMG. Let me roll it backwards for you guys. And when you see this video, you might have seen, I think you will have seen my post review of my very first Diamond Art Club kit, Paint the Stars. And I really enjoyed rounds. I never enjoyed rounds that much, but with that kit I really did. So I bought a lot more rounds because I was enjoying it so much. They go so quickly. So that's what's going to be all 3 of these canvases that I'm going to unbox the next weeks, and today are going to be rounds. Look at that. You guys, it is gorgeous. It's so big too. I mean, it's just as big as my other one, but yeah, it's cool. Nice purples. Oh my god, guys. Look what I just saw. The ABs. It's so gorgeous. I think there's 2 ABs in here. This is a new color for me. I only had the white and the yellow ABs on my first Diamond Art Club kit. But this looks stunning. And I thought the background would be more solid, but there's actually quite some confetti going on as well. I think I have to do it. The only thing why I wouldn't start this kit right away is because I want more ABs to put in. And then there's the first 2, but I don't have those yet because I only have leftover ABs from my previous Diamond Art Club. But I do have some white ABs from some special drill kits, some round ones, so maybe I could use those if there's not white AB in here. I think there's not a white AB in here, so it could work. Yeah, awesome. Sorry guys, I'm just buttering on. Oh, that was too far for my camera to liking. There we go. So you guys can see the drill field. I will move you around to a more prominent piece. Only 1s and 2s are ABs. Can tell you that already. Not sure which the blue ones is that is here. But yeah. I think that's gonna be probably number 2. Yeah, I think so. So more around. Oh. Still zoomed in. Beginner fold, I guess. More around here. But yeah, it's pretty awesome. Let me look at the back of this canvas as well, because I noticed some things on my previous one. This one already got some hairs on it, now that I laid it out on the bed. I guess that comes with it. I just can't avoid hair on the back of this canvas. I like that it's so soft, but it also just gets the hair on so quickly. But there's no weird things in here like the other one had, so that's good. Look at the drills. Gypsy Violet. There's actually some nice grays in here as well. That's the biggest string. I'm not gonna remember this, am I? So let's do this first. Oh yeah, I remember now. I zoomed in so that you wouldn't hear too much of the crackling noise. Nice blue. as well blue. There the first purples come around. The usual suspects. I don't think I've had much of this one yet. Ooh, nice. I love 3865. There's the 550. 3841. Ooh, there's 2 of those. So that's the first string. Let's do the small one first. Let me see where the cutoff point is for the blues. Alright. More, that looks like the other color we just had. I don't know, that's kind of gray. 820, couldn't resist coming in this kit for me. If you watch this channel longer, you will understand why I say that. Yes. Ooh, that's a very nice green to go in here. That looks very similar. Oh, that's dark. Some kind of green, grayish color. Ooh, there's even some 939 in here, but not much. It's in the smaller bags. There we go. Ooh, love this one. AB! That is gorgeous. Love me some pink AB. So I have 2 different ABs than I was used to in my last kit, so that's gonna be fun. Oh, 318. I haven't worked with that color for a long time. I remember that it was in my first painting a lot. Ooh, 3371. More green. More baby pink. The 819 one. More blues. More baby pink ones. So that's the small strip. And now let's get to the big strip. This is gonna be a challenge. If I want to keep remembering how it was like this. So purple, purple. So which one is that? Next to the very dark one. This is gonna be a long strip, you guys. Can you focus again? There you go. Nice baby blue. Ooh, there's 2 of those. Oh, I was like, is there even a third? No. I think that's more of the background colors. These gentle, these just normal colors. I think those are the background colors. Ooh, I love the greens in this one. They really pop out between the rest of them. Yeah, some more purple, of course. Some green. Dark purple. Nice. Ooh. These are all kind of the same. Oh, this is different. So that's why I'm not really responding to them. These are all on one side. Let's free them up a bit. I think that's where, yeah, that should be where the cutoff point was. So let's actually keep them there so we remember that. Ooh. Oh, as I said before, the greens in this kit. And then, last but not least, the AB we saw first. That is so pretty. That's really gonna be so pretty. Can't stop staring, you guys. So I will zoom you guys out first. So you can actually see something. gonna try to put it like it was. It was like this. Alright, figured it out. So, that was it. That's Gypsy Violet. She might be my next kit to start. Highly influenced by me loving horses, wanting to start another round kit, wanting me to start another Diamond Art Club, and also by Urelli. So Urelli, if you're watching this, it's a big possibility. Let me say that. So definitely go watch her unboxing of this video, or even her channel in general. I will link those below. Might even put the video where she unboxed this on the eye if I have time to do that. And I will see you guys with the next 2 canvases in the next couple of weeks on the Wednesday. It will be unboxing Wednesday again. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please let me know if you got this kit. I'm highly interested. Urelli, I know you got this. So you don't have to say that, but any other people can say if they got it, if they're interested in this one. Maybe you're not interested. Please let me know why. Maybe you're not interested in horses, which I totally understand. But I will see you guys next week. Well, with the unboxings at least. Next Sunday probably will be another post review. So, thank you for watching. I will see you the next time. Bye!